you will see. Well, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna try, I guess everybody knows, but I'm gonna try to do the simple service: cabin filter, air filter, fuel filter, oil filter, change the oil. But what I'm gonna do, my one last time was to change it about 15,000 miles, the fuel filter, and couple times I'm drive it till red light on the tank. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change to the new one, take off the old one, cut old one, and see what the hell is going inside, how is dirty. Next time you guys can compare that and check, or is time to change, not wait like 60,000 miles or 20,000 miles or whatever. And let's have a look what is going inside. I use the oil adaptives for the clean up the engine, leave to run for 15 minutes, I think, yeah, 10 to 15 minutes to clean up a little bit my engine oil, and let's crack on. I'm gonna check the inside or the sump bolt. I can just actually loose, little bit loose. Good. Okay, dokie. One tap. It's little arrows in here. Come out. I always forgetting how it's going inside. That's why when I taking out, I straight away checking how it goes. Ugh. 10,000 miles or 15. Okay, arrow down means like this. Arrow down. Let's open another one. Here is the arrow. Arrow down. Yeah. Yes. Arrow down. Let's fit inside back. Come on. Go in. Good boy. So hard to do one hand. That's it. A little bit. Make oil filter loose. Get everything. don't forget tied up. Some people say you need it tied to the proportion, like, I don't know, 25 or something Newton meters. I'm just tightening up how much I can, and that's it. I'm not bothering with that. Okay, let's clean up oil area, filter area. Always don't forget, put some old oil on the rubber. Tighten it up by hand, because later you're gonna have the nightmare. Well, now 4.6 goes. Well, I have 4 liters, and I need that. It's 1 liter, 5. Okay, so let's start filling up with that one. Okay, just fill up, let's say 4 couple, 4.3, 4.4, I don't know, something like that, and check on the next day. Is best thing to make sure there's everything fine, because now looks like it's okay. Air filter. Eight mil socket. Taking with the PW40, little bit on the finger, go around. Lubricate, and that's it. Don't scare about that noise, because you drain it all the oil. That's why it's like that. Okay, there is the 3 bolts. 1, 2, I think, yeah, no, 2 bolts, and the hook on the back side. Set up the camera. I'm gonna first unbolt, hook out from that area, and later I'm gonna start to the fill lines. In here, I'm disconnected that. Just simple. Much more easy. So to get to the bottom bolts, it's 10mm bolts. You need to use the extension. But not mix the pipes, like I say. I have from the last time I put the tape on the first, on the right side, which one it goes. Now we need to take out everything because it's gonna be, how say, we need to change the water sensor to the new one, and it's the rubber gasket as well. Actually, we're gonna disconnect that and go on the bench, change the sensors and put back. But now when I'm gonna disconnecting the pipes, there's gonna be lots of fuel. I need something put on. By the way, guys, please like and subscribe, because only this way I can start doing some modifications. Because if I, on this channel, you're gonna see lots of different cars as well, because I need to earn some money to do the modifications on the cars. That's why I'm gonna use the hook. Just spray that, but or special tool. I have the special tool, but let's say maybe some people don't have. You can use that hook. You need just little bit move around nicely, break that sealant, and when you start the fuel go, you will see. Not taste it. Yes, you can see. Okay, unplugging that. Alright. Go here, guy. In here you have this rubber seal. Which one are we gonna take out? Oh, where's my hook? Come on. Ah, I forget to say. If I'm gonna do the different as well, the cars, because like I say, I need to earn some money to make videos and modification on my car. That's why it's gonna be in different cars and lots of stuff I'm gonna do. Okay, my hands are still in a diesel. That's it. And like I say, hook goes this way. The first one, second one, and that's it. Put pipes. It's little brackets coming out from them, and that's it. That one, you can feel what is empty. Let's fill up. Oh, now it's resistance. I cannot anymore pump. That's it. I guess it's full. Let's take out everything from the bottom. They have all the lights. That stuff is amazing. You can buy for tents when you're going camping a self-inflating little mattress. Believe me, so amazing to use that. Okay, where is my keys? Let's start that baby. Everything connected? Everything connected. That's it.